Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the Q1 FY26 results conference call of Supreme Power Equipment Limited, hosted by Kirin Advisors. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star then 0 on your touch-tone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Mr. Parth Acharya from Kirin Advisors. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Thank you. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Kirin Advisors, I welcome you all to the conference call of Supreme Power Equipment Limited. From the management team, we have Mr. V. Rajmohan, Chairman and Managing Director of the company. With that, now I hand over the call to Mr. V. Rajmohan for the opening remarks. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us on our earnings call for the Q1 FY26. It's a pleasure to connect with you and share an update on our financial and operational performance, recent milestone, and the strategical roadmap ahead. At Supreme Power Equipment Limited, our story is one of steady evolution, resilience, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Established in 1994 as a modest partnership firm and incorporated as a company in 2005, we have grown into one of Tamil Nadu's most respectable manufacturer of power and distribution transformers. Over the years, we have built a strong reputation for delivering deliverable high-efficiency products that meet both domestic and international standards. Our journey has been guided by a clear vision to power the nation's energy infrastructure with an innovative and sustainable and customer-focused solution. With a deep understanding of the power sector's evaluation demand, we have consistently adapted to market needs by investing in technology, talent, and process excellence. With specialize in the design, manufacture, and supply of a wide range of transformers serving sectors including utilities, renewables, infrastructure, and industrial applications. Our manufacturing capability, backed up by stringent quality control and high-skill workforce, allow us to deliver reliable and customized solution to a growth base of clients. In recent years, as India intensifies its focus on renewable energy and upgrades its electrical infrastructure, Supreme Power has strategically aligned itself with these growth trends. Whether it's supporting large-scale solar power, wind projects, and upgrading aging distribution network, we are playing a vital role in enabling cleaner and more efficient power system. Today, we stand at an exciting juncture driven by strong fundamentals, a robust order book, and the trust of our customers. We continued investing in capacity expansion, new product development, and geographically outreach. We are well positioned to scale new heights and contribution meaningfully to India's energy future. Let me now take a moment to highlight some of our key achievements in the recent months. We secured a landmark 60.9 crore order from NLC Limited for inverter duty solar transformers. This is the largest order in the company's history. We received 2 repeat orders from TNPDCL worth 16.05 crores, distribution transformer ranging from 16 kVA to 200 kVA, 22 kV. Danya Electric Company, our 90% owning subsidiary, secured 4.71 crore order for 16 kV distribution transformers. And entry into new market. We entered Karnataka with our first order worth about 8.8 crore from KPTCL projects covering 4 MVA 66 for 11 kV power transformers. Orders for renewable projects. We secured renewable sector order worth 16.12 crore from a leading project developer. This includes inverter duty transformer ranging from 1250 kVA to 6000 kVA, 33 kV voltage plus, and 2 numbers of 55 MVA, 110 kV for 33 kV voltage plus. Fund raised for accelerated growth. We have proposed a capital infusion of 21 crore through the preferential allotment of 12,47,000 fully convertible warrant at 169 each, rupees 169 each. The allotment are planned to promoter Raj Mohan, me, 36%, and non-promoter investors 64%. The fund will be utilized towards machinery purchase, software system, civil infrastructure development, and other general corporate purpose. These milestones reflect our growing market presence, our ability to deliver tailored solution, and our commitment to excellence. Moving to our financial performance, I am delighted to report strong Q1 FY26 driven by operational efficiency and rising demand for our transformers. On a consolidated basis, for Q1 of FY26, we reported total income of 35.18 crores, marking a 27.8% year-on-year growth. EBITDA stood at 6.73 crores, up by 15.92% from the same period last year. The net profit came in at 4.45 crores, a growth of 31.05%, and the earnings per share grew by 30.88% to rupees 1.78. This performance signals a promising start to FY26, highlighting our resilience business model, marketing leadership, and ability to deliver profitability, growth amidst robust demand in both conventional and renewable segments. As of 13th August 2025, our consolidated order book stands at 198.12 crore, supported by fresh order inflow of rupees 106.58. in Q1 FY26. This order book reflects continued customer confidence and offers excellent visibility and momentum for the quarters ahead. First quarter of FY26 has set a solid foundation for the year ahead, showcasing our ability to capture new opportunities, deepen customer relationship, and strengthen our position across both conventional and renewable sectors. I would like to thank all our stakeholders, investors, customers, partners, and employees for your continued trust and support. Your encouragement has played a vital role in our journey so far. We remain committed to build long-term value for all. With that, I now open the floor for questions. Thank you once again for being with us today.
Thank you very much, sir. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and one on the touchtone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and two. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. Thank you. Our first question comes from Paras Cheda with Purple One Vertex Ventures LLP. Please go ahead.
Thank you, sir, for this opportunity, and congratulations for the strong set of results for Q1 and the solid order intake that you have. Sir, I had a couple of queries. Of this 198 crores, what is the proportion of between government and this private sector orders?
Government is 63% and
Right.
private is 37%.
Okay.
This includes the NLC order.
Right. 37%. So roughly 60-40 more or less.
Yes,
So,
60-40 more or less.
broadly, yeah. So just trying to understand now Q1, on a consolidated basis, the EBITDA margins have been reasonably strong, 19% thereabouts, in the region of 19-20% sort of. Now, given this split of government and private, do you think these margins are sustainable now going forward? About 19.
Yes, going forward, this margin is sustainable, sir.
Okay.
This margin is sustainable.
So these margins are sustainable now.
Yes, yes.
Right. So, sir, there are two other things. For FY26, broadly, in the previous con call, we were sort of, expecting somewhere in the region of 200 CR as our guidance revenue. Now, do you sort of hold by that, or has that changed or something on that?
Yeah, we are expecting to cross 200 crores.
This year?
Yes.
Right. And does that include some part of the expanded capacity that will come in December?
Yes, some part, that is the last quarter, we may use that. Keeping that in mind only, we have committed that figures.
Right. And so just last query now, that what funds we are raising for the CAPEX, right? So, at the peak, given that the new capacity will be roughly about 550 crores odd, the total capacity, the peak revenue for the entire, including the current plus the expanded, is about 550. Is that correct? Or
Yeah,
now we are doing some...
No, not that.
It's
It's all only for the accessory works, not for the main plant.
Okay.
It's road work and other office work and for software.
Okay.
For that only, but it will not increase the revenue. But this all includes.
Right. So 550 crores is the peak revenue that we are seeing.
600, yes.
Right, sir. And in general, given, the strong tailwind that we are seeing right now in terms of orders, in your opinion as of now, when do you expect optimal capacity out of this to this is at peak capacity which will be able to commercially utilized, right? I mean, 550 odd crores or in that region.
Correct. That will be the peak.
And so by when do you expect this, sir?
2 to 3 years.
Okay, in the 2 to 3 years. And of this 500 or whatever once the expanded capacity comes in, and we have seen very interestingly export orders also now, sort of coming in. Do you see a lot more export orders, coming in going forward?
Yeah, we are working on it, and we are working in to get connected with Saudi and to tap the UK market also. And as of now, nothing was signed or any material confirmation was not achieved. So we will not be able to commit here, but we are working on it.
But at some point, given that you've got initial some success, I mean, broadly at some point there will be some interesting orders from overseas also.
Yes.
And these export orders, do they have similar margins or slightly better margins compared to domestic?
Yeah, it's better margin.
By about 1%, 2%?
Yeah, maybe 1 or 2% more.
Right. Fair enough. I'll come back in with you, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Showing this much interest on our company. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.
Yeah.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to ask a question, please press star and 1 on a touchtone phone. We have a follow-up question from Paras Chera with Purple One Vertex Ventures LLP. Please go ahead.
Okay. Sorry, sir. I thought somebody else would take this. But sir, just also trying to understand that, given the increased capacity of, basically transformer capacity that is going to come into the system, do you expect, sir, the next 2 years to be still reasonably strong, given that there is a strong set of orders that can come in and there is strong demand?
Definitely, sir. Definitely for next 5 years, the orders are, the number of projects are coming up, and both union government and as well the state government are more focusing on renewable energy. Where 1 megawatt is generated, then actually 3 megawatt of transformers are required. So the demand is very good. And especially for power transformer, larger power transformers, almost
and
all the
larger power, what size do you sort of insert, sir?
Yeah, we can make up to 160 MVA in the new capacity.
Right.
So with
and these will be power transformers, then more or less?
Yes, these are all power transformers.
Utility scale.
Utilities and as well as for the power projects.
Okay.
Private power projects like windmill, solar, like that, 100 megawatt, 150 megawatt.
Right. So these bigger power transformers also will be able to manufacture it, new capacity. Because I continue to believe that globally there is shortage, and I guess not only in India, which of course renewables are there.
Correct.
But outside India also there is huge demand for transformers.
Correct, sir. Correct.
And probably all going well, we may have to expand capacity further. All going well, depends how it goes. But my sense
is, yes, we are also foresee that, and we are planning. First, we need to at least fulfill 60-80% of the existing capacity. Then we have to go for further
expansion. Then we can plan for.
Yes.
Understood, sir. I think that makes sense. So, yeah, correct. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, a reminder to all the participants, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. A reminder to all the participants, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. The next question comes from Priya from Erit Media Private Limited. Please go ahead.
Good evening, sir. My question is, you have mentioned the order book for 198 crores, right? So what is the time span for complete these orders? Is it going to happen within this year?
Yes. 70 to 80% will be completed in this financial year.
70 to 80% this financial year.
Yes.
Okay. Are you expecting more with time, or this is the one for now?
Sorry, I
190.
could not get your question.
No, this 70 to 80% is for this year, right? Are we expecting more orders with time?
Yes. We are expecting more orders.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants, you may press star and 1 to ask a question. Our next question comes from Paras Chera with Purple One Entex Ventures LLP. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Sir, what is the quantum of the total bids that is there in the system, that we're bidding for now, in terms of orders?
It's more than 600 crores. We have bid that, we have quoted. And the expecting winning rate will be around 10 to 20%. So let us see.
Right. So somewhere about 70, 80 to 100 CR in that region.
Correct.
Right. And this is for the near term. So for the, full year, for this entire year, what kind of order intake that you are sort of estimating actually coming?
As of now, we are holding 200, less than 200 crores. That is 198 crores, 199 crores. So it is less than 200 crores. So we are expecting another 100 to 150 crores in this year. So, so balance will be served next year.
Right. And and when the expanded capacity comes in, of course, then you would consider bidding for higher value tenders then.
Correct.
Right. And as of now, do we have any kind of a working capital constraint? For now?
As of now, we don't find any constraint on working capital.
Right. Because typically, our receivable days are what about? 120 days? Almost.
Yes. It's almost like 100 to 120 days.
And this is including the private sector.
It is all put together on an average.
Right. Understood. Fair enough, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Our next question comes from the line of Shashikant, who's an investor. Please go ahead.
Sir, congratulations, sir, for the very good performance in the Q1, sir. I have around 2 queries, sir. What size order book are you planning, sir, at the end of this financial year? For the next financial year, what size of order book are you planning to sit at? And are there any orders which are presently in L1 status?
Actually, L1 status, we got one order from KSEB, Kerala State Electricity Board, for 20 MVA. That we got L1, and recently the order has been awarded. And we have posted so many tenders, and especially as you asked, the bids are not opened, and so many places the negotiation is going on. So as you asked, L1, as of now, we don't have the data.
And what size order book are you planning to sit at the end of this financial year?
Yes, this year, last year it was, when we were closing at March, it was something around 80 to 90 crores, and as of now it is 200 crores, and we are expecting something around 200 crores in end of this year. 200 plus.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Our next question comes from the line of Priya from Erit Media. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I wanted to ask if you're planning for export orders, right? You're trying. In case if you're getting to what extent you have expecting what kind of revenue from exports?
No, as of now, there is no significant export order with us. All 99% domestic orders only. And we are exploring to get into world market and working towards Saudi and UK market. And nothing has been, material confirmation was not there. So we will not be able to answer perfectly to your question, but we are working on it. For export orders, we are working.
Okay.
Thank you. Our next question comes from Abhishek Sharma, who's an investor. Please go ahead. Mr. Abhishek Sharma, your line has been unmuted. May I request you to unmute it from your side?
Yeah, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Please
good
go
afternoon,
ahead.
sir. Good afternoon.
So my first question is, how does SPL plan to leverage its new 6-acre expansion facility to capture market share beyond its current stronghold in South India?
Yeah, the expansion is almost 90% over. Civil work is 90% over for the factory building. The office building is going on and expected to complete in the month of December. Machineries all are partially is being installed and partially on transit. And I think in the end of December, it fully all the machineries will be commissioned. And then we have to go for approvals from big buyers like PGCL, NTPC, and other MNCs. So based on that, and the Tata Power project also we are approaching, and so many other power projects we are approaching. So the order book will be very good. Once that all the customers, they are just waiting for the plant visit. We are just holding to showcase our plant, our new plant. So only after that, definitely we will get a good number. The numbers will be very good.
Okay. And so my next question is, what is the company's strategy to balance growth between government tenders and private sector clients, given the recent shift towards the private orders, like 74% revenue in financial year 25?
Yeah, we are restricting ourselves with the 50%, 40 to 50% with government, the exposure towards the government, that is especially with the utilities. And strategically, we are focusing more on private projects.
Mm-hmm.
So
and sir,
50%,
okay.
Yeah, with the 40-50% on government and balance so 60-50% with private.
Okay. And with increasing focus on renewables, how does company intend to position itself?
Yes, as of now, the renewable is working very well.
Okay.
Yes, as of today, renewable, that is that too from solar sector, the order which we are owning is around 40%, 41% from renewable. And the power transformer is something around 32%, and distribution transformer is something around 27%.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Our next question comes from Avinav Singh, who's an investor. Please go ahead.
Yeah, thank you so much for the opportunity. So, sir, my first question is what specific efficiency gains are expected from the capacity expansion, and how will that translate into margins?
Yes, as of now, in this existing facility, we are capable to manufacture test up to 25 MVA with a 110 kV class. Whereas in our new capacity, we can go up to 230 kV and manufacture up to 160 MVA. So the margin, the number of players in that portfolio of product are less when compared to the existing level. So there is a chance of increase in margin, and that is the strategy which we are working for. We are focusing towards the larger power transformers.
Okay. Sir, how do you plan to ramp up the utilization of the new plant capacity post Jan 2026, and what break-even timelines are expected?
As of now, we have inquiries for 100 MVA, 80 MVA, which we are not able to do it in this existing facility. Whereas, and we are getting so many inquiries for 100 MVA, 80 MVAs, and actually for March and June delivery. So the market is very good, and going forward, we have to get approvals from PGCL, NTPC, and other big buyers. And we are expanding our geographical footprints apart from Tamil Nadu, Kerala. Now we are expanding our wings towards Karnataka, and we have posted some tenders in Punjab also, Mahajanko. So we are rapidly expanding our geographically. So I think we are strategically moving towards catering the new plant to utilize the new plant fully.
Okay. Sir, how does SPL maintain quality standards while executing large value orders like 60.9 crore NLC India project?
Yeah, the quality, without saying, quality is our main motto apart from the margin and other things. And since 2010, we have supplied so many number of power transformers. And proudly to say, not even single transformer has been came for repair or for refurbishment. So this quality, we don't even compromise even 1% on quality. So that is our strength. So quality-wise, our team is built for that.
Okay, and sir, one last question. Sir, what measures are being taken to reduce execution timelines for large orders while scaling capacity?
Yeah, now the cycle from raw material to delivery of distribution transformers 6 to 8 weeks, and even now we are some time depends upon the customer requirement. We are delivered even earlier, 2 weeks earlier also. And when it comes to power transformer, it will take a minimum 2 months to deliver a power transformer ranging from 25 MVA, 8 MA, 16 MA like that. So already we are at par with the other suppliers. Already we are on the track regarding the delivery schedules.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. I'll join back with you. If I have any questions, I'll get in again.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Our next question comes from Aditi Roy, who's an investor. Please go ahead.
So good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Now my question is, how will the proposed 21 crore fundraise via convertible warrants complement the larger 70 crore expansion project?
Sorry, madam, I could not get you.
See, you have recently raised 21 crore via convertible warrants, and how it will fulfill your 70 crore expansion project?
70 crore, no, this convertible warrant is issued, and in principle approval also we received. And this is for, this is on 3-4 stages we are going to utilize the fund within 18 months. And it is being utilized, it will be utilized for software, purchase of software, and for road work and other platform work, office work for that, and some for working capital and general corporate purpose. This will add in the main project cost.
Okay, so and my next question is, what technology advancement are you incorporating into your new manufacturing facilities to remain competitive?
Yes, now we have purchased latest version of equipments, where in the existing plant we used to use conventional dryers, whereas it will take a week to process the equipment. Whereas in the new plant, it will take a minimum 2-3 days, maximum 2 days. We will finish the same job there. So in that way, we are, and we have a modest testing facility. So everything was updated as of date. So the technology, also the machineries which are procured, we have gone for a latest winding machine with a vertical winding machine of 20 tons and a foil winding machine of 20 HP. So we are incorporating latest version of machines in our production, and so many checklists are there for controlling the process.
Okay, sir. And I also want to understand, how is Supreme Power integrating digital tools or smart monitoring system in its transformers or predictive maintenance and efficiency?
Yeah, now we are developing a system. It is under R&D, whereas we can monitor the health of the transformer and the efficiency of the transformer online. It is connected to the internet, and wherever we go, we can monitor the system, electrical system. Not the electrical system, the transformer performance. So it is under process, and it may come in next 2-3 months.
Okay, sir. So can you please highlight your R&D priorities for the next phase of growth?
R&D, we are actually less investing. We are investing less on R&D, and especially there is a requirement for this online monitoring system. So we are developing that, and now the battery storage system is coming up very well. So there the requirements are something different. So we are trying to adapt to the real need of the system. So we are trying to do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you. Our next question comes from Juhi Jadhav, who's an investor. Please go ahead.
Hi, good evening, sir.
Good evening, madam.
I just had one question that now that you have mentioned that we are shifting a bit towards private buyers, how are you evaluating the creditworthiness of these private buyers?
We generally get information from the market, how is their payment system, and what is their order book, and this is one type of assessment. And we get for new customers, we get advance while getting the order of 20-30% advance. And the stage prototype pro rata basis we used to get payment, and finally we used to dispatch the transformers after getting, that is before dispatch we used to get the payment. So these are the few steps.
Okay. Also, I wanted to ask that how are you seeing the growth for export markets over the next some years, 5 years horizon?
Yes. As of now, India is having a huge demand for transformers. And not only India, the whole world, that is the European Union, they are going for a huge expansion on renewable energy. So there are also high demand for transformers. And in London, we are putting a stall in the solar exhibition to promote our product. And let us see how it moves out.
Right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Our next question comes from Paras Cheda with Purple One Vertex Ventures LLP. Please go ahead.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Just last query. We are more or less at the moment present in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka, right? And this 550 crore capacity that comes in, and eventually we'll have to expand. So,
correct.
So where are we sort of targeting? Whether these itself can absorb, or do we obviously move out of these states and then try and target more orders in various other states? So that's question one.
That is within Tamil Nadu. Our presence is very strong in Tamil Nadu, and now we are recently entered. Past 1 year, we are trying to enter Kerala state, and we have opened a small marketing office also there. And recently, after the 8-9 months of journey, we got an order for 20 MVA from the government with a good price. And for the 8 months now, it is automatically approved. This power transformer has been approved in the state. Our company has been approved. And then naturally the private buyers, they will start inquiring on us, and already started. And recently, after getting this order, we got a power transformer order from a private steel company from Kerala. It is a breakthrough. So we are rapidly increasing our force, marketing team, and for expanding to other states also.
Right, because for this 550 year this thing, at some point we'll have to expand beyond these states also, or?
Sorry, sir.
So between Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu, can we sort of have this about 550 crore capacity absorbed, or do we have to sort of move out of these 3 states and other states in India to
definitely we have to go for other states also. So for reaching 600 crores, 550, 600 crores, we have to work through all the states.
Right. And sir, last you mentioned that with this new higher power capacity transformers, the margins also will expand, obviously,
Yeah.
because we are...
Yeah, naturally. See,
will that
number of
hold?
players. Yeah. The number of players are less on larger power transformers. So the margin may increase by 1 or 2%, and eventually the overheads will also rise. And the talent we are now acquiring new talents, and the cost of the talents are very high in this market, and so it may the existing margin will sustain or it may increase little.
Okay. So at least sustain or maybe increase depending on how it works.
Yes. Because the overheads, definitely overheads will increase.
Right, that's what we told.
Yeah, as of now, our overheads are not so high. And now, when we move to the new capacity, naturally we have to acquire new talents, and we have to pay more for that. So definitely our overheads will increase. So it will absorb the increased margin which we get from power transformers. I think it will absorb the overheads cost, increased over cost.
Right. So at least the margins will sustain, if not increase.
Yes.
Right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants, ladies and gentlemen, if you would like to ask a question, please press star and one on a touchtone telephone. Our next question comes from Yash Shah from MI Global. Please go ahead.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Very good evening, madam.
I just want to understand what is the difference in the margins for IDT, power and distribution transformers?
So all are almost same. It depends upon the customer who place order on us, depends upon his demand, and almost all are same. And power transformer will be slightly higher.
Okay. And sir, my last question would be, as we are increasing the capacity, as you said, from December, right? So
Yes.
are we hiring any new management personnel to gather more of sales or new workforce for the bigger capacity?
Yes, already we have boarded for a gentleman who got vast experience from ABB, Hitachi and Telk. Hitachi from Japan, ABB from here in India. And he boarded in our board of directors. He was independent director, and he is guiding us for higher MVA transformers. And this is for technical side. At marketing side, we are hiring people. Not yet. The process is going on.
Thank you so much, sir. That answers all my questions.
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you. Our next question comes from Dhanraj Tolani, who's an investor. Please go ahead.
Thank you. So I have a couple of questions with me. So let's start with the first one. So what is the strategy for strengthening relationships between renewable energy developers or who are becoming your major buyers for inverter duty transformers?
Yeah, we have in Coimbatore we have presented a stall in the Codicia in the solar exhibition, and in Chennai also we have placed a stall for catching up new customers. And our marketing team is also continuously working with all the major solar players. who are doing more than 50 MVs.
Okay.
More, yeah, these are the type which we are doing with.
Connecting to this, like, how dependent are we on our repeat orders from the large utilities like TNPD, CL or NLC? So can you share more about, like, do we have
TN Tamil Nadu utility, whenever the tender comes, without anything, we used to post tenders. And at the time of finalization, if the price and the order book, based on the demand of our order book and the price, based on that we will try to manage to get the order. Otherwise, we will lose it. So generally, whenever they float tenders, we used to participate. We don't allow without participating. We will, and we have a good relationship with Tangetco, Transco. So this is the way. And in NLC, this is we supplied one or two in earlier days, and this is a huge order for IDT. And they are now coming up with this is for a 100 megawatt project. And now NLC is coming up with another 500 megawatt project. So they said already they have started asking when the new plant will come. So they want to place order for larger power transformers. So we are maintaining good relationship with NLC also. And once they become a customer of us, they will not go back for any reason. And we will not allow the customers to move out.
So, are we taking any steps to expand our customer base in new geographies, and even especially after approval from the Kerala State Board? So
correct. Yes. We are very keen on that in expanding geographically. And this seed was laid 8-9 months back, and on that, based on that only, we now received an order from KSAB for 20 MA worth about 15 crores. The first order comes from KSAB with a 15 crore order. So another 3-4 tenders are there. So we are expecting more orders from KSAB. And the same, like, we have posted tenders in Mahajanko, Telangana, Karnataka, and in Punjab also. So we are also keenly moving out from the existing states where we present.
Okay. Thank you. That's all from my side.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Our next question comes from Tiresh T, who is an investor. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, I have a couple of questions. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Our company is going for 600 MVA expansion, and may I know the present status of the project and exactly operations, when it can come?
No, our company is going for 600, not megawatt, it's 6,000 megawatt expansion. Yes. Correct. And I think the plant will be totally finished in the month of December end. So we can start production, trial and commercial production from January 1st. From there we can start production there.
Okay, sir. Actually, one more question, sir.
Please.
There is present high MVA transformers demand. Majorly, what do you think? Where do you think comes from transmission, BESS or solar side more in the coming future?
Yeah. It's coming from both solar. Yes, solar as well as wind and from transmission of age-old transmission system are changing, and there are new expansions also coming up. So it's all coming from all the sides, all the sectors.
Okay, sir. Sir, one last follow-up question.
Please.
Sir, for IMV transformers, we need a lot of certifications, right? So for that certification, what is the present status? Some certifications we have achieved already, I think.
Yeah, as of now, we have the capacity to produce up to 25 MVA. For that, up to that, we have certification, that is prototype design validation, and we have to get certificate from Central Power Research Institute for the validation of the design and the manufacturing process. So that we have already obtained. 5 years back we obtained that. And for more than 25 MA we have to get. And this certification are well insisted by the utilities only. And the private players, they don't insist on this type of certification. They believe on their own testing and witnessing the test. So partially we can do business. It is not that we have to take full certification and then only we have to do supplies. No, already we got 55 MA order and we have supplied more than 6 numbers, and already now we have 2 numbers order for 55 MA. So it's all in the process. And definitely if you want to go to PGCL or NTPC, definitely these certifications are very much essential. And that is certification we have to, once the plant commenced, we have to do a prototype transformer, either after getting order or before getting order. We have to make a transformer and get it tested in the NABL laboratory, and then the certificate has to be submitted. And then this vendor approval, and all the process are there. And it will take its own time, like 3 to 6 months. Stage by stage.
That's all from my side, sir. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you for your clarification.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. As there are no further questions from the participants, I now hand the conference over to Parth Acharya from Kirin Advisors for closing comments. Over to you, Parth.
Thank you everyone for joining the conference call of Supreme Power Equipment Limited. If you have any further queries, you can write us at research@kirinadvisors.com. Once again, thank you everyone for joining the conference.
Thank
you. Thank you, sir. On behalf of Kirin Advisors, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us, and you may now disconnect your lines. Thank you.